Good evening, sir. Myself, Arvind Karthik, and my teammate Vamsi Krishna. We are here to present you the review 3 of our document, real-time object measurement, sir, which is prepared for image processing. Sir, in this review 3, we are going to explain you the procedure which we are followed to implement our code, sir, and then we are going to show you how we are implemented that code and the output of our code, sir, and then we are going to conclude this review 3 by explaining you the conclusion part of our project and then the future work of our project, sir. Sir, this is the procedure which we use to implement our code, sir. First we are importing the CV2 and NumPy library, sir. The computer vision library is short-term as CV2 library, which helps to tune the image as per our requirement and find the contours, sir. Then the NumPy library to store the coordinates of the object in the image, which helps us to know the dimension of our object, sir. Then we are going to set the brightness to 160, whose ID is 3, sir. Then we are going to set the width to 1920, whose ID is 3, sir. Then we are going to set the width to 1080, whose ID is 4, sir. Then you can either read the image from webcam or import the image from the external file, sir. From this onwards, the procedure part is explained by Vamsi, sir. Thank you.
To 9020 and whose ID is 3 and we'll set the another width to 1080 whose ID is 4, sir. And we can also neither read the image from webcam or import the image from any external file also, sir. And also we recommend you to import the image from external file because capturing an image from webcam produces the image of low resolution, sir. It may seem unblurred also, and rewriting the image if you feel that existing image is too large, and we are aiming to detect the A4 paper in the picture also, sir, and also we're gonna extract the image of paper and scale, and it can find the objects inside the paper also, sir. The biggest counter in the existing image by running for a loop, and also we're gonna create a new Python file utils.py where all the utilities are mentioned, sir. And we can define a context and we get the convert the image into grayscale and we get the convert the image to Gaussian options, sir. And we can use the scanning edge detector to find the edges and find the threshold also, sir. And also the user who uses the privilege to change the threshold, sir. And we're gonna define canvas, sir. And after that, we're gonna apply image dilation to the edit image, and we're gonna apply image erosion to edit the image, sir. Now, after displaying the image, after we perform the above function also, sir. And we're gonna find the perimeter of the counter and find the corner of points of the counter, sir. And we have to make sure that the object is closed, and we can define a list and store the length of the suitable length also, sir. And finally, the final contrast based on the image of size of the area, sir, and over the distance find the counter of largest area, sir. And we're gonna draw the counter of largest area and reorder the points so that the points must be in the particular or sorted order, sir. And we're gonna wrap up the image and re-encode the counter function such it detects the object in the paper, sir. After detecting the image, we're gonna draw the lines and over the selected coordinates and finally display the answer. And this is our procedure for the implementation of our project, sir.
Sir, we have implement our project in Spider, sir, which is a Python ID, sir. This is the code we have written, sir. This code is written based on the procedure we explained before, sir. This is the object measurements file, sir. This is the supported file in which we are defined some function get contours and reorder and wrap the image, sir, and find distance, sir. Get contours functions this function will return the largest contour in the given image, sir, and then reorder function will reorder the points which it is helpful to find the image, sir. And then wrap image function is used to wrap our image, sir. Then the find distance function is used to find the distance between the 2 points from that image, sir. These are the four functions which we have defined in utils.py, sir. And then this is the main function, sir, in which where we are using in this code. We already explained during the process, sir. We can either read the image from the webcam, or we can directly import it from the using path, sir. Here we have done the second, both we have implemented both the things, sir, but using webcam the quality is very less, sir. So we have done it using the path, sir. Then we are calling the functions which are there in the utils RPY, sir. Then we are going to show you the outputs, sir. This is the code we have written, sir. I will show you the output, sir. See, sir, I have run the code, sir. This is the original image which we passed as input to our code, sir, and this is the output image, sir. See, sir, where you will get the distance as a length as 8.4 centimeters and width as 5.2 centimeters, sir. This is how our code works, sir. Then this is the input image, sir, and this is the output image, sir. This is the how our podcast we are implemented in Spider, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, now I am going to explain you the results part of our project, sir. This is our results, sir. This is the gray image of our given input image, sir, and this is the Kenny image of our input image, sir. And this is the final output of the given this input, sir. Then we are calculating the accuracy for the each input we have given, sir. This is the second input, sir, and this is the accuracy of the second input, sir. Then this is the third input, sir. Then the accuracy of our third input is 98.5, and accuracy in length is 97.97, sir. This is the fourth pixel, then the accuracy is 98.5, sir. These are the graphs which we have plotted based on the accuracy, sir. And this is the conclusion part of our project, sir. Hereby we conclude by claiming that our model is 98% accurate and can be used in industrial applications to discard the objects of inoperative sizes, sir. And this is the future work, sir. Machines are used in every part of human life. Machines work according to us, but in today's world we work according to missions, sir, to rush the soar high in immense. Hence, mission is important, and so we find parts of them, sir. If the parts do not fit well, a mission cannot work properly, sir. The dimension of objects such sure make a great impact. This AI IoT based project will help in measuring the dimensions in real time, sir. It is convenient and easy to use, sir. It also gives accuracy and assurance of the manufactured product, sir. And as it is one-time investment, it surely has a great future scope, sir. Hereby I conclude our review 3, sir. Thank you very much, sir.